Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I've got the stylish solution to a daily mess home vacuum. It's cordless, so here goes. So that's the main unit. And here we've got the wall mount. Got a few more items in here. So we've got another unit here. More to come. Looks like it's the plug. Oh no, it's the unit to hold the item. Got another attachment. That's pretty adjustable. And we've got the kit. We've got the main extension. And finally the plug. That's everything there. So let's just put this together. Just clicks into place. And there you go. Just needs a bit of charge and then it's ready to use. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.